The last, but not the least, section of the company overview is the competition page. Right at the top, you're greeted with a summary that shows you how many companies within our platform share the same industry, how many of them are in your stakeholder's country, and which of them share the same legal form. The platform considers several thresholds, such as revenue, standard industrial classification codes, or number of employees ranges. Following the intro, you'll notice a competitive comparison datasheet, which focuses on year of establishment, number of employees, industries, profit, turnover, and other relevant comparison margins. In the last column of this sheet, you'll notice the Add a Company option, which allows you to explore competitive margins for any other matches in our database. When you access this option, you'll receive a variety of companies that match your stakeholders' industry, relative size, and turnover, from which you can build your own comparison sheet. Select whatever companies interest you, hit Compare, and your very own comparison datasheet is ready to explore. To save a copy of this list in Excel or export them to your CRM, hit the Actions button above the sheet. In general, the competition section in the company overview can enable users to build account-based campaigns, explore how well their stakeholder or partner performs, or even help them perfect their prospecting shortlist. We have designed it to screen competitiveness. However, you can build your own recipe to reach your best fitting purpose.